Hello everyone, good morning. So myself Naveen and welcome to my channel, and I hope everyone is doing very well in their life. So today I came to visit a Perarignar Anna Durai and Kalayangar Karunanidhi Memorial, which is located in Chennai. So Anna Memorial and Museum, which is dedicated to the first Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, C.N. Anna Durai, which is also known as the Anna, where a black marble platform was raised on the spot of Anna cremation in February 1969. So the crematory consists of an internal flame of the one end with sword pillar on the northern end of the Marina Beach in Chennai, and later on August 2018 the Anna Memorial Complex was expanded to include a memorial for another former CM Karunanidhi, who was also a great CM of Tamil Nadu state. So let's see, this is the resting place of M Karunanidhi, and it is looking very great. And today I'm also feeling very well that today I got a chance to visit this place. And this is the crematory place of the CN Annadurai. So through Annadurai was an atheist in his personal life, as took oath as the chief minister of the state in the name of conscience rather than the name of God. So he proclaimed only one race, only one God. And the second one is the Karunanidhi. So Karunanidhi was an Indian writer and politician who served as the chief minister of Tamil Nadu for almost 2 decades, over 5 terms between 1969 and 2011. And he is properly known as the Kalanganar, means artist, and the Muthu means Kalayangar means Tamil scholar, and for his contributions to the Tamil Nadu literature in Tamil. So he has the longest intermittent tenure as chief minister of Tamil Nadu with Tamil Nadu, and he was a long-standing leader of the rebellion movement, and 10 times president of the DMK, Dravid Muntra Kanjikam. And Karunanidhi has the records of never losing an elections to the Tamil Nadu Assembly on 13 times. So this is the great about the CN Annadurai, who was a great Tamil scholar and artist. So let's salute to the both CN Annadurai and Karunanidhi. So this is the museum of CN Annadurai. We can see the many things observed and restored in this museum, which is belong from the CN Annadurai, such as the many more books written by him, and dress code of the CN Annadurai, photographs of the CN Annadurai that is hanged on the wall, along with so many politicians, and along with such as the Rabindranath Tagore with CN Annadurai, Indira Gandhi Prime Minister with CN Annadurai, and Jawaharlal Nehru also along with CN Annadurai. So this is the all photographs of the CN Annadurai. So thank you so much, and once again thanks. So thank you.